nice to the bully. Last one there is a rotten egg, or has to give me a kiss. He is sticky. I just got my hair done. No swim on, yellow. Come on, Sticky. You're last. You gotta kiss me. Hey, we're here.
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a flash flood warning for central Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas, northern DeSoto County in northwestern Mississippi, northwestern Marshall County in northwestern Mississippi, southwestern Shelby County in western Tennessee, until 4 p.m. CDT. At 12:52 p.m. CDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain and along the Shelby-DeSoto County line into Marshall County. Between 3 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include South Haven, Olive Branch, West Memphis, Horn Lake, Fernando, D.O. Fuller State Park, Memphis, Byhalia, Walls, Edmondson. Anthonyville, Whitehaven, Southwest Memphis, Lynchburg, Red Banks. Plum Point, Yago, Capelville, Alden, and Cedarview. Flash flood, radar indicated. Instructions: turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Daddy, someone already collected the reward.
Who?
Turn to page 6, Daddy.
Wizard Kelly! Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to step outside and cry. Why do you hate me so much? Why?
A brand new The Danger Family is coming up next.
Live 2-hour premiere event next Monday, 8/7 Central on ABC.
In the face of danger, they're smooth.
I like your style. I like your moves.
In the line of duty, they're explosive.
Stop shooting my car!
And when it comes to fighting crime, they know just how to
Do it. Do it.
All right.
From the director of Old School and Road Trip,
I know some people that rob some people.
Ben Stiller, Owen Wilson,
Which one do you like? Because we're going to stick to this. Well, I've always had a thing for blondes. Good, because I'll take anything.
Starsky and Hutch. Rated PG-13. Directed by Todd Phillips.